In this video, I will show you how to add Afterpay to Google Pay. So in order to add Afterpay to Google Pay, you must have installed both applications in your cell phone, and after that, when you successfully install the application, simply open the Afterpay app on your device. Now in the next step, you have to tap on the in-store bottom option in the bottom menu. So just when you select this option, after that you have to select Pay in Store. So after this, in the next step, you have to tap on set up the card. So when you successfully set up the card, next you have to select add to wallet. So just click on this option. So after this, when you click on this option, a SMS verification code will be sent to your mobile device. So you must have enter the code, and after that your process is finally completed. So in this way you can add Afterpay to Google Pay.